Welcome to the Motus Video Zone, where you get to take your study routine from the page to the video to the streets. This combination of print and video learning is designed to make you a better driver and give you a winning edge on test day. Okay, let's get started. Now that you have mastered starting your car and you are confident with your clutch control, there are basic rules and procedures to remember when you set your vehicle in motion. These steps will apply to all movements in the yard and on the road test. Make sure you set off smoothly. Points will be deducted if it appears that you are not in full control by causing the wheels to spin or stalling the vehicle. If you allow your vehicle to roll during your moving off procedure, you will fail and the test will be discontinued. So, before you move, remember, be aware of and obey all road traffic signs, signals, rules and markings. Check your rear view mirror. If preparing to turn, check the appropriate blind spot and signal your intention. Ensure an intersection is clear before entering. You must not create an obstruction by entering an intersection. Now, it's time to go. So, in one continuous movement, select your gear, make sure of your clutch control, do a 360-degree check for hazards, release the parking brake if necessary and move off. Now accelerate as necessary and remember to cancel your turning signal if you have made a turn. This video covers the important basics of setting your car in motion, but is no substitute for getting the feel for doing it all out there with your instructor or a licensed friend. So keep practicing, stay alert, stay safe. For more information, get the Motus K53 at all good retailers across South Africa.